Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can change username in TeamSpeak. It's going to be extremely simple. Now you can change your name on specific servers, but if you want to go ahead and entirely change the username, it's going to be extremely simple. Just head over to the application right here, navigate through your user icon, and then you want to click on this gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. So it's going to be this one. And then inside you have your account. You also have the account's profile icon. So as a quick demonstration, we could also go ahead and upload one just to personalize our account. So let's go ahead and choose something really simple like this one. And then to finally change your username, you could just click on the text box. As of right now, it's Deskent. So maybe I'm going to enhance this even further, like adding a YZF at the end of it. Hit on enter, and from there you should be good to go. Our username right now is going to be Zeskind YZF, so you could just go ahead and make sure to enter your password, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.